Global virus death toll phase 1.5 million as nation plan for vaccine. Saudi-led coalition claims to destroy Houthis drone. U.S. Special Representative for Afghanistan Reconciliation Zalmay Khalilzad is on a campaign to garner international support for the Afghan peace talks. PM Pakistan Imran Khan has proposed a 10-point agenda to the world community to avoid economic collapse in the developing countries due to COVID-19. US court orders deportation of Daesh hackers over COVID-19 fears. UAE launches tourist visas for Israelis. In Afghanistan, 3 security personnel have been killed and 14 civilians injured in a bomb blast in Paktia province. In Pakistan, nation observed Yom-e-Dua today on Friday, seeking God Almighty mercy to protect a people from coronavirus. Militants opened fire and burned police car in Philippine town.